Well, it's the trade night, the first one of the year, Blizzard edition. But here in Chicago, what's 6 inches of snow? Blizzard edition, trade night, first one of the year. Come on. What's up, Richard's in the house?
I ain't playing around.
I ain't playing around.
I shed blood, sweat, and tears, and I made my rounds.
I made my round.
I got what you want.
I got it.
I got what you need.
I got it.
Welcome to the show. Get ready for the major leagues. Alright, all my life I said gonna be one of the greatest. Now I'm finally here. Ain't nothing about this fake. Oh, it's the real thing.
Oh, here, this is it. What is this exactly?
Image variation.
Image variation, Panini. There he is. Super Bowl quarterback. Not saying they're going to win, but I'm pretty sure they can make it to the Super Bowl tomorrow.
You got any Brack Purdy?
You
got any Brack Purdy's?
You
got some Brack Purdy's?
Like a sale. You're welcome. Don't open your Panini packs yet. Don't open them. Hang on to your Panini pack. What kid didn't get a Panini pack? Does every kid in here, you got a Panini pack? It's a $25 store credit. So you can buy a pack for 10 bucks and win a $25 store credit. 2 autos in here. That could be a hot box. Wow. Whoever gets the auto wins. One more pack wars. I have these bonus packs from Panini that we'll add in, and 2 Chronicles cereal boxes that you can win. What do we do? 2 for 10? 2 packs, $10. Whoever gets the autograph wins. Line up, 2 for 10. Good price. Get the auto, you win. And also the lowest serial number will get some bonus packs. Man, I got so many of these. I've given them all the kids. Had no idea Brock Purdy was even in it. And the lowest serial number will win these packs in my back pocket. I got 3 of them. I got 3 of these basketball packs. The man asking all night about basketball. Yes, sir. Mark Williams, the winner. I'm going to give you 2 Chronicles boxes, those little cereal boxes. Yes, sir. Yeah, go back and look in front of that wrestling belt. They're on my tray. Panini. Keep it going. Panini. 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 That's the lowest numbered card. Gets a $25 gift card here. 25 bucks. There are autos in here from Panini. Nice.
He got a patch.
15 out of 28. It's Chris Levert, not Gerald Levert. Not the actual card number, but the... Are you ready for a fun summer in the shop, sir?
Yeah.
Gary Lewis wins this. No, I don't know who won the one online. Did you guys enter that one? I got a card to 75. That's the lowest one from Hoops so far. Looks like you won, bud. Must be the shirt. It's got to be the shirt. Man, you should get a bonus for wearing that shirt tonight. I'm going to give you a bonus for wearing the shirt. You got a shirt. I remember giving you a shirt. All right, here's your basketball packs. And a bonus Father's Day pack, which could have Brock Purdy in there. Rip bump, rip bump. He's buying wax.
Yeah.
Well, I don't like these guys. So, no. I like the Cubs. Far cooler, much more fun environment.
Check out of 50.
A Shack out of 50. Oh, this is the missing leg version. Did you know this is a short print? His leg's missing. See that?
You kind of see it. A little bit.
I know, but it's weird if you look at it from that. It's like it's just a one-legged Shack. What does that sell for?
Oh, I don't know.
What? Man, you gotta look these things up. What if I said I'll give you $5 for it, and then you don't, and it's worth
I
like
wouldn't believe it.
25? It's a Panini Day or something card. It's numbered to what?
50.
I mean, I would say it's literally $5. Hey, I want to play this game that we've played before. I want to know who came the farthest tonight. Who drove the farthest tonight?
I drove 10 minutes.
Elgin's out. What towns? What towns? Oh, we got Schaumburg somewhere?
Elburn.
How many Schaumburgs do we got? Wow. You guys came out here in the snow? I appreciate that. That's really good. Schaumburg's a little farther of a drive, I would think. But Elburn's close. So we got Schaumburg, the farthest. Who's the Schaumburg people? How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4 Schaumburgers? All right, I'll give you each something. That's how much I appreciate you driving out here. Thank you. Who lives the closest? That would be me. Schaumburg. Hamilton.
We're playing a Let's Make a Deal.
Yeah, we are. I'm seeing what he's got. He told me this isn't available, this Brock Purdy, but I mean, I might try.
It will be available when it gets to PS10, hopefully.
Really? Wow, that's pretty confident. Here he is, greatest football player of all time. Do you know who it is? Greatest football player of all time in my hand right here. Who would you say it is?
He's on his favorite team.
Jerry Rice.
You didn't even let me think.
Well, it took too long. It shouldn't take you long. Joe Montana was the greatest greatest quarterback of all time. I think Jerry's the greatest football player of all time. See what everyone got today. I know there was people opening up boxes around here. Who's been opening stuff lately? Yeah? Any big hits down here?
A lot of people don't even know.
You guys get some good cards down here? I heard that there's a gold Trevor Lawrence and a gold Herbert around here somewhere. Uh-oh. Look, I see him. I think I see it. What's going on over here?
Oh, that's a nice card.
What do we got here?
I got a Tilo out of 8.
Trevor Lawrence. Oh, it's 8.
I'm wearing his jersey.
Where is it? Trevor Lawrence to 8. I like this guy better. 10 of 80.
He broke my heart.
Sauce. Was there an auto in that choice?
Yeah.
If someone's going to come to me and say, dude, I'll give you 50, 60 bucks for it. So it's up to you. It's okay. Okay. Well, you might win tomorrow, but probably not because he's playing my 49ers. What do you think?
Oh.
They're at home. They got that going for them. That's a nice card, though.
That one too. I didn't go in.
Oh, snap. Wow. Nice Obsidian 8. You lost your ticket, buddy? Oh, man. Here we go. We're going to pick some white tickets. This is going to be for a Panini Kids Crate. I got a bunch of prizes here, and I thank you, everybody, for coming out tonight. It was the Blizzard edition. Y'all made it out here. We do this just about every month or so. Sometimes my schedule doesn't permit it because I'm traveling or we're going somewhere. But just watch the Facebook page for the next one we're doing. It will be in probably not till April, unfortunately. No, I'm sorry, March. March. All right? So here's a Kids Crate. Make sure you check your tickets. You got to be here to win. How about $39.47 for a Kids Crate?
Not me.
Oh my God.
Stop.
49.
47, we got a winner over here. This one is the $39.15. Kids Crate. Boom, buddy. There you go. Okay, let's do another Kids Crate. Lots of cool stuff in there. Kids Crate, Mike, you're going to win. $39.66.
That's me.
Oh, yes, there we go, Guest family. These things, these are $40 boxes, at least they used to be at some point. This is a Topps vending box for $39.60. $39.60. All right, good job, bud. Put that here. vending box for you.
I was gonna do it on my break.
I'm going for two of these. White tickets, more prizes. 3908.
I'm 07.
That's close. It could be a winner. 3908. 3908 winner. Man, you guys having a good night here at Trade Night. He's got the number. All right, this is going to be a good one. Brock Purdy autos are in here. This is a bad boy for the white tickets. Potential Brock Purdy, and hopefully who wins it opens it here. 978. 3914. 3914.
That was my second one.
Do we have it? My man's got it. 3914. This is a Mike Singletary Hall of Fame inscribed, which was 1993. Really cool jersey to get framed. Hall of Famer, Mike Singletary. 308 599. Damn, you were one off. You got it. Nice.
I was one off.
Congrats, you were one off. It would have went to you. There you go. That's nice.